Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got that Golf right here, Rabbit, the 2007 model MK5. So it will be the same for the Jetta. We'll show you how to remove and replace your battery the easy way. You don't need to take so many things apart. They'll tell you have to remove the whole air filter box and all that stuff. For the 2.5 engine you don't. But first, check out our store. It's in the description below. Really cool shirts, guys. We have amazing shirts now on sale. And also check out our main channel, which is growing super fast. It's there again. So now that's the Rabbit that I'm talking about. You can see the battery on this thing is bad. It still runs, it still drives, it starts the vehicle, but what happens, it's actually too weak. It gives about 9 to 10 volts. It does work, but sometimes you get random lights inside because there is not sufficient voltage. So we're going to replace it because it's not going to last very long and it's not good for the vehicle as well. Okay, check out our main channel. We're building a bumper for that Fiesta ST now. So it's there, it's on our main channel, which is growing super fast. And now let me show you, we need a 13mm socket with extension. Just like that. We're going to use the gun, but you can just use a regular ratchet. And some people say you have to remove all that box to access it, but if your hands are a little bit smaller, you can get it. It's right there, there is one bolt. Okay, once I remove it, let me show you. I'll try to get a good view and show you that's the mount right there. Okay, so if you can access it through here, like that. And you need to be careful not to drop the bolt, so when it gets loose you need to be holding it, the bolt and the mount itself. Okay, and you need to grab it and pull it out. You always have to wear gloves around the batteries because that's acid there. Okay, you can see that's the mount I'm talking about. It goes like that, and that's the bolt with the 13mm. Next, what we need to do, we need to get the 10mm for those bolts right here for the nuts, and we need to clean that post as well. Okay, and actually what happens now, you need to take that box apart, okay, by pulling it up like that, and the half of the box comes out. And now you can go ahead and remove the battery cable as well, the positive and the negative too on this side, which will be pretty stacked because it has quite a bit of corrosion there. Okay, what do you need to do next? This one, we just clean it a little bit and you can pull it out now. Okay, grab the battery and pull it out. Okay, and just go straight up. And that's the old one right here, and we will be replacing it with this one that we have out of a parts vehicle. You need to make sure you have the same kind. This is just a different brand, so it's perfectly fine. And you can go ahead and reuse that thing if you need to, but we're actually not going to on this model, so you can go ahead, stick it in. Okay, we're going to wash the engine bay and clean the bolts later because we did some work, so the engine needs to be washed as well. And you need to go ahead, get the posts in. Okay, positive and negative, make sure you get them right, don't get them wrong, and get them tight. Next you need to get that bracket, the one that we removed right here, and you need to install it where it's supposed to be. Okay, and this one is a little bit of limited room, but you can reach it, so you can do it like that. Alright guys, and check out our shirts. We got amazing shirts at the site, so don't forget to check it out. And what we need to do now, just get this one tight. Okay, that's it. And now we need to put the box together, which goes only in a certain way, and you need to go slide it in. Okay, you need to put it together good. You need to go in the grooves and then slide it in, so it's a little bit tricky. Okay, we're gonna take it off to clean it later, but all you need to do, just put the lid and put it on top, and you need to make sure that it goes in good, okay, like that, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.